and much more. We hope this night will not just be a night of wakefulness, but a night of awakening for you.
மடியார் குமடியே தில்லை வாழந்தனத மடியார் குமடியேன் திருநீலகண்டத்து குயவனார் கடியேன் இல்லையே என்னாதையர் பகை குமடியேன் இளையாதன் குடிமாறன் அடியார் குமடியேன் வெல்லுமா மிக வல்லமை பொருளுக்கடியேன் விரிபொழுசு குன்றையார் விரமிண்ட கடியேன் அல்லி வெண்முல்லையந்தரம நீதி கடியேன் ஆரூர் நாரூரில் அம்மானு காலே இலை மலிந்த வேலம் வேரி பத்த கடியேன் ஏராதியாதந்த நடியார் குமடியேன் தலை மலிந்த சீனம்பி கண்ணப்ப கடியேன் கலையந்த நடியார் குமடியேன் மலை மலிந்த தோல் வல்லமான கஞ்சாரன் எந்தாத வாடாய நடியார் குமடியேன் மலை மலிந்த கரிசிலைய கலி கம்பன் கலியன் கலசக்தி வலஞ்சய கொரடியார் குமடியேன் ஐயடிகள் காடவர் கொரடியார் குமடியேன் ஆரூர நானூர நம்மானுக்காரே கரை கண்ட கடலடியை காப்புக் கொண்டிருந்தார் கனமுள்ள நம்பிக்கும் காரிக்கும் அடியேன் நிறை கொண்ட சிந்தையானில் வேலி வென்றார் நின்ற சீர்நடுமாறன் அடியார் குமடியேன் துறை கொண்ட செம்பவளம் இருளகற்றும் ஜோதி தொன்மையிலே வாயினார் அடியார் குமடியேன் அரை கொண்ட வேல் நம்பி முனியடுவர் கடியேன் ஆரூர நானூர நம்மானுக்காரே கடல் சூழ்ந்த உலகெல்லாம் காக்கின்ற பெருமான் காடவர் கொண்டழ சிங்கன் அடியார் குமடியேன் கடல் சூழ்ந்த தானம் நீடங்கழிக்கும் தஞ்சை மன்னவனம் சிறு துணைதன் அடியார் குமடியேன் உடல் சூழ்ந்த புலி அதன் விளரபாடாடி பொன்னடிக்கு மனம் வைத்த புகழ் சுவை குமடியேன் கடல் சூழ்ந்த வேலம்பி கோர் புலி குமடியேன் ஆரூர நானூர நம்மானுக்காரே பக்தராய் வணிவார்கள் எல்லார் குமடியேன் பரமனைய பாடுவார் அடியார் குமடியேன் சித்தத்தை சிவன் பாலை வைத்தார் குமடியேன் திருவாரூர் பிறந்தார்கள் எல்லார் குமடியேன் முப்போது திருமேனி நீட்டுவார் கடியேன் முழு நீரு பூசியா முனிவர் குமடியேன் அப்பாலும் அடி சார்ந்தர் அடியார் குமடியேன் ஆரூர நானூர நம்மானுக்காரே மன்னிய சிறுவரை நாவல் நின்ற ஊர் போசல் பரிவளைய நாணிக்கும் நேசனுக்கும் அடியேன் தென்னவனம் உலகாண்ட சிங்கனார் கடியேன் திருநீல கண்டத்து பாணனார் கடியேன் என்னவனம் அரணடியே அடைந்திட்ட சடையன் இசைஞானி காதலன் திருநாவலூர் கோர் அன்னவனம் ஆரூரன் அடியை கேட்டுவப்பார் ஆரூர நம்மானு கண்பராவாலே ஆரூர நம்மானு கண்பராவாலே ஆரூர நம்மானு கண்பராவாலே ವಚನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಮಾಮೃತ ತುಂಬಿ ವಚನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಮಾಮೃತ ತುಂಬಿ ನಯನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೂರುತಿ ತುಂಬಿ ನಯನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೂರುತಿ ತುಂಬಿ ವಚನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಮಾಮೃತ ತುಂಬಿ ವಚನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಮಾಮೃತ ತುಂಬಿ ಕಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೀರುತಿ ತುಂಬಿ ಕಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೀರುತಿ ತುಂಬಿ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನನವು ತುಂಬಿ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನನವು ತುಂಬಿ
Namaskaram. Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable President, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, has arrived at the Isha Yoga Center. You can see pictures of her in her car as we're waiting for her to alight. The 15th President of India and the second woman President of our country, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, has held several important positions over the past 4 decades and has worked tirelessly for people from all walks of life, particularly in the states of Odisha and Jharkhand. Sadhguru will now welcome the Honorable President to the Isha Yoga Center. As she takes off her footwear, Sadhguru offering her a garland of flowers. And accompanied by Sadhguru, the Honorable President will now visit the consecrated spaces of the Isha Yoga Center. They will first have a darshan of the Naga at the Naga Shrine, which is located at Surya Kund. The Surya Kund is a 130 by 40 feet subterranean water body surrounded by 200 giant granite stones, each weighing 45 to 50 tons, forming the bricks of the Kund. The 2 Tirtha Kunds at the Yoga Center, Surya Kund for men and Chandra Kund for women, serve as preparatory tools to help enhance one's spiritual receptivity to the Dhyana Linga. Traditionally, these kunds were built near Indian temples because when the body is wet, one can get better imbibe the energies of the temple. The President offering her obeisance. The President very keenly examining the prasadam that has been given. In the yogic tradition, as well as in many cultures around the world, the snake has been recognized as a tool for perception and has been a symbol of healing. Very recently, Sadhguru also consecrated a powerful Naga deity at Sadhguru Sannadhi in Bengaluru for health, prosperity, overcoming obstacles and exploring the mystical dimensions of life. Naga's grace and energy are extremely important for one's overall health and well-being. The President, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, stepping into the Kund. A dip in these vibrant waters straightens out imbalances in the human system, bringing about physical and mental rejuvenation. Sadhguru is tying an Abhaya Sutra to the President on her left arm. Abhaya literally means without fear. Sutra means thread. Abhaya Sutra, therefore, is a consecrated cotton thread that helps overcome doubt and fear. Sadhguru explaining the finer nuances of the Abhaya Sutra to the President. Our Honorable President will now proceed to the Surya Kund with Sadhguru. Accompanying the President, we have the Minister for Information Technology and Digital Services, the Minister in Waiting, the representative of the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Thiru T. Mano Thangaraj. The President, accompanied by Sadhguru, and that's her daughter that you can see on the screen. As the President and Sadhguru make their way out, all the distinguished guests moving along with them. Proceeding to Nandi now. Proceeding to Nandi in the outer parikrama, where they will be received by the Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu, Thiru Ravindra Narayana Ravi. In front of the Dhyana Linga is the Nandi, which is an important part of the lore of Adiyogi. Nandi is a symbol of eternal waiting and considered the greatest virtue in Indian culture. The quality of waiting is the essence of receptivity, as one who can simply wait in utmost intensity is naturally meditative. The Nandi that you will see very soon has been consecrated and filled with vibhuti, turmeric, sesame and other natural substances which radiate a certain field of energy. The Honorable President, being driven by Sadhguru, we can see the Minister in Waiting, the representative of the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Thiru T. Mano Thangaraj, the Minister for Information Technology and Digital Services in the cart too. Dhyana, ladies and gentlemen, in Sanskrit means meditation and linga means the form. Dhyana linga is a powerful and unique energy form, the distilled essence of yogic science. The Dhyana linga was consecrated by Sadhguru in 1999 after 3 years of intense process of prana pratishtha, an esoteric yogic process of immense proportions. The President showing interest in all the rathas that have been brought here from different regions by the devotees. And very soon you'll be able to see the Nandi. There you have the resplendent Nandi, the most important part of the lore of Adiyogi, the symbol of eternal waiting. offering flowers to Nandi, the Honorable President. The Tamarai. We also have the Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu, Thiru Ravindra Narayana Ravi, offering his Tamarai. An opportunity for a picture for posterity. The Honorable President, accompanied by the Governor, Sadhguru, and the President's daughter. A smile for posterity from the Honorable President. The Honorable President will now have a darshan of Linga Bhairavi Devi. The Linga Bhairavi is an exuberant manifestation of the divine feminine, representing the creative and nurturing aspects of the universe. Her triangular-shaped abode is adjacent to the Dhyanalinga complex, and you can see an aerial view of the entire ashram. The energy of Linga Bhairavi strengthens the three basic chakras in the human system, thus stabilizing one's body, mind, and energy systems. For those who seek to live life intensely, the Devi's presence and grace will of course assist in the process. Whether a devotee seeks to acquire, enjoy, or transcend the physical and material aspects of life, the Devi will assist in whatever one's aspirations may be. As the Honorable President, accompanied by the Governor and the Minister-in-Waiting and Sadhguru, proceed forward, there are many rituals one can offer to receive the grace of Bhairavi in one's life. Sadhguru explaining the various aspects of the Isha Yoga Center and the consecrated spaces. We are at the Devi's abode now. And you can feel her presence as the Honorable President, accompanied by the Governor, R.N. Ravi, her daughter, the Minister-in-Waiting, and Sadhguru all proceeding into the Devi's sanctum. The sacred banyan tree or the Vatavriksha in Linga Bhairavi's abode plays a significant role in Dahanivaram, a ritual designed to quench one's desires. The President taking a good look at the Vatavriksha, which, as I explained, plays a significant role in Daha Nivaranam. The Honorable President offering Tirtham or sacred water to the banyan tree. The Honorable Governor also making his offerings. All the distinguished guests who are accompanying the President making their offerings as well at the banyan tree. The Devi's Trishul that you saw outside, symbolizing one's surrender. The Honorable President will also make an offering of a ghee lamp at the Devi's Trishul. And lighting such a lamp or offering such a lamp symbolizes one's surrender and desire to rise upwards and dispel the darkness within. Soon, the President moves towards the inner sanctum of Linga Bhairavi, where she will offer Samarpanam to the Devi. Samarpan comprises an offering of coconut, kumkum, turmeric, betel nut, jasmine flowers, bilva and neem leaves, and Naivedyam to the Devi for the general well-being of individuals or families. It is offered in the sanctum with an arati. All the Samarpanam being offered to the Devi. The coconuts being cracked there as they're being offered to Linga Bhairavi Devi. distinguished guests waiting to receive prasadam. The triangular-shaped abode of the Linga Bhairavi, her energy strengthens the three basic chakras in the human system to stabilize one's body, mind, and energy system. A sublime moment as the arati is being offered. A moment of stillness and concentration as we prepare ourselves to receive her blessings. President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, the Governor of Tamil Nadu, Thiru Ravi, the Minister for Information Technology and Digital Services, and the Minister in Waiting, representative of the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Thiru Mano Tangaraj, and Sadhguru, will all now move towards Dhyanalinga. The President's daughter tying the holy thread. The Trishul, where our guests are tying the holy thread. prayer on the lips and deep thoughts in their mind. They all now move towards the Dhyana Linga, where they will also see the Chandrakund. The Chandrakund, embedded 30 feet below the ground and approached by a descent of 32 massive steps, framed by gigantic granite stones and vaulted by a colorful mural depicting the Mahakumbha Mela. Designed and consecrated with feminine energy, it's particularly beneficial for women, the Chandrakund. Accompanied by Sadhguru, you can now see the Honorable President, the Governor of Tamil Nadu, and the Minister in Waiting, proceeding towards Dhyana Linga, where they will offer a Linga Jyoti to Dhyana Linga. As I was mentioning, taking a dip in the Chandrakund makes one receptive to the energies of the Dhyana Linga. And the tremendous healing power of these waters has been attested to by thousands of visitors each year. Abundance in the gardens around the Dhyana Linga. At the Dhyana Linga, they will offer the Linga Jyoti. The Linga Jyoti is a unique ghee lamp that combines the elements of water and fire and was designed by Sadhguru as a symbol of purification and light offered to Dhyana Linga. Made of brass and copper, these lamps, the Linga Jyoti, have the ability to preserve the energies of the Dhyana Linga. The Chandrakund now, you can see 30 feet below the ground, framed by granite stones and a beautiful mural depicting the Mahakumbha Mela. Everything organized in an orderly fashion. As the President briskly walks with Sadhguru to now make the offering of the Linga Jyoti. Madam President and the honored guests, will participate in the Panchabhuta Kriya. Again, before the Panchabhuta Kriya, she will make an offering of the Panchabhutas or the 5 elements and flowers to the Dhyanalinga. The Panchabhuta Kriya invokes a certain aspect of Shiva known as Bhuteshwara or the master of the elements. The Kriya is a process of purifying the 5 elements within the human system, known as Bhuta Shuddhi in the yogic system. The basis of all creation, including the physical body, are the 5 elements. The purification of these elements, earth, water, fire, air, and space, stabilizes the body and mind and is particularly beneficial for those suffering from physical ailments. The Panchabhuta Kriya happens every month at Dhyanalinga, and you too have the opportunity to participate online in this powerful Kriya. The President offering the Linga Jyoti. The Panchabhutas being offered, the 5 elements and flowers to the Dhyanalinga. The material form of each element, along with its corresponding mantra and an elaborate series of movements, are designed to create a certain reverberation, thus harmonizing this element within the human system.
Gauram Karunavataram Samsarasaram Bhujagendraharam Sada Vasantam Hridayarvindhe Bhavam Bhavani Sahitam Namami.
Aratrikam samarpayami Shri Guru Charanakamaleebhyo Namaha. Pushpanjalim. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Akhanda Mandalakaram Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shri Brahmanandam Paramasukadam केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं विश्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। पुष्पाञ्जलिं समर्पयामि श्रीगुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। एतद्देशप्रसूतस्य सकाशादग्रजन्मनः स्वं स्वं चरित्रं शेक्षरे कृत्यं सर्वमानवाः दुर्भाचित्या वनस्पति क्षमया दधर्स्योजसा यते अभ्रस्य विद्युतो दिवो वर्षन्ति वर्ष्टयः।
अन्नाद्भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्यधन्नसम्भवः यज्ञाद्भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञकर्मसमुद्भवः आपो अद्यान्वचारिषं रसेना समगस्महि पयस्वानग्न आगहि तमांसाश्रजवर्चसा। अग्निं धूतं वृणीमहे होतरं विश्ववेदसम् अस्य यज्ञस्य सुक्रतुम्
अग्निमग्निमवीमभिः सदा हवन्त विश्पतिं हव्यवाहं पुरप्रियम्।
अग्निं धूतं वृणीमहे होतरं विश्ववेदसम् अस्य यज्ञस्य सुक्रतुम्
अग्निमग्निमवीमभिः सदा हवन्त विश्पतिं हव्यवाहं पुरप्रियम्। यथा वायुं
Namaskaram. We're deeply honored to have the President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, at the Mahashivratri celebrations in the presence of Adi Yogi, the source of yoga. Srimati Draupadi Murmu will now offer the mother soil, or Taiman as it is known in Tamil, to a Mahilam plant near the Yogeshwara Linga. The Mahilam plant is an integral part of the Isha Yoga Center. Its leaves, roots and stems have several medicinal properties and are commonly used and prescribed in Ayurveda. The offering of soil today on the special occasion of Mahashivratri is an expression of our commitment to revitalize and save the world's dying soil. A global movement launched by Sadhguru last year called the Conscious Planet Save Soil Movement. Since the launch of the Save Soil movement, 81 nations have committed to soil revitalization, and soil, along with climate change, has become an important aspect at global forums. They will now make an offering of Kailash Tirtha and Tamarai flowers to the Yogeshwara Linga in front of Adi Yogi. Kailash Tirtha is water collected from the south face of the sacred Mount Kailash. The Yogeshwara Linga was powerfully consecrated by Sadhguru in February 2017 through an intense and powerful process at Isha Yoga Center. In January this year, Sadhguru also consecrated the Yogeshwara Linga at the Sadhguru Sannadhi in Bengaluru. After offering the Kailash Tirtha, the Tamarai flowers being offered to the Yogeshwara Linga in front of Adi Yogi by the Honorable President, the Governor of Tamil Nadu, Thiru Ravi, offering the Kailash Tirtha, and the Tamarai. And we have the Minister in waiting, the Minister for Information Technology and Digital Services, also making his offering. The Honorable President will now inaugurate the night-long Mahashivratri celebrations before the resplendent 112-foot-tall Adi Yogi by lighting the Mahayoga Yagna,
Microphone on.
symbolically inaugurating
Yep.
this year's Mahashivratri.
Namaskaram everyone here. Our beloved President of Republic of India lighting Mahayoga Yagna. This is a commitment that in the next 24 months we will initiate at least 2 billion people into some simple form of yoga across the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're now joined by the Honorable President and other distinguished guests as they take their places on the stage. May I request all those who are here to please rise and remain standing. Please rise and remain standing for the national anthem.